If you've ever tried cleaning dust out of your keyboard, electronics, or appliances, you know how frustrating it can be. Regular cleaning cloths don't reach inside, and canned air runs out way too quickly. So I decided to try this electric compressed air duster, and honestly, it solved a problem I've had for years. One of the main things that caught my attention is the power. This device uses a brushless motor that can reach up to 105,000 RPM, which creates strong airflow that pushes dust out of tight spaces. When I first tested it, I started with my computer keyboard. If you're like me, you probably have dust and crumbs hiding between the keys that you can't easily reach. With the narrow nozzle attachment, the airflow easily pushed everything out from between the keys. I've had this heater for a few years and I always noticed dust building up inside the vents. The problem is those areas are hard to reach and cleaning them properly is almost impossible with a cloth. Using this air duster, I was finally able to blow out the dust that had been stuck inside for years. Seeing all that dust come out was honestly pretty satisfying, and it made the heater look and feel cleaner. If you're planning to do this too, make sure to do it outside so it's not floating around giving you more allergies. Another feature I like is that this duster comes with 5 different nozzles. Because the airflow is so strong, it works really well for things like car detailing or cleaning tight vents where dust tends to collect. It's also surprisingly lightweight and portable. The entire device weighs about half a pound, so it's easy to carry around the house or keep in your car. The battery is another big advantage. It has a 4,000 milliampere rechargeable battery and it charges with USB-C, which makes it convenient because most people already have those chargers. A full charge takes about 1.5 to 2.5 hours. The battery can last anywhere from 3 to 6 hours. Another reason I like this type of air duster is that it's eco-friendly compared to canned air. Instead of constantly buying disposable cans, you can recharge and reuse this device as many times as you want. It also produces moisture-free compressed air, which is important when you're cleaning electronics. Overall, this electric air duster is one of those tools that solves a simple problem that makes a big difference. I've linked it in the description below if you want to get it. Would you use this? Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful finds so it'll keep me motivated to make more. Thanks for watching!